Hey guys, welcome to the 8th episode of the Spaniel display series. Today we will discuss the durability and structural characteristics of the Spaniel bicycle battery. The battery is one of the most important parameters when it comes to the electric bike. Because the battery will affect how long you can ride it in power or pure electric mode, it needs to be of a very high quality. It is important to us and of course to you that you don't need to replace this battery frequently. It is the heart of the electric bike. The electric bike is equipped with an LG lithium-ion 48 volt and 20 Ah battery in order to ensure that it's going to last a long time and its performance will stay to the maximum level. As you can see here, there is a metal box outside of the battery, which will protect your battery very well. It has been tested for many years, and the battery of the Spaniel model is reliable and trustworthy. Personally, I think it is one of my favorite functions of this bike, is that it actually provides a 2-year warranty for its battery. So this not only tells you that some of Spaniel's performers are very confident in the quality of the battery, but it should also make you rest assured that the key component of your bicycle will last a long time. One of the most popular functions of the Spaniel battery is that it is removable, so it is easy to charge and you can safely fix it indoors. We can turn the key a little to the right, as you can see here, and then easily pull it out and insert it and put it back in a similar way. After that, you could just need to reseal it and place the key back inside and lock it up. You can use this when you're installing your battery or when you're taking it out to go charge. You must make sure that the bottom groove of the battery will align with the interior of the metal box to ensure that you have placed it in properly and that the battery will last a long time and also run smoothly. We can usually see the external structure of the battery and appearance when you are removing the battery and placing it back inside. Another important thing to know about your LG battery on your Spaniel bike, it is not just a normal battery. In fact, most electric bikes will not have this large of a battery. We have included a 20 Ah power, which is much more than most other designs. It is very reliable and very strong and durable. As we can see, the metal casing on the outside will protect the battery. It is also waterproof and will prevent it from breaking down on you, which means you can use it for a very long time. When riding your bike, your battery is always protected from all elements because it's in its metal casing. No matter how extreme the weather is outside, be it snow, be it rain, be it the heat, it is always protected inside of its metal housing. Spaniel's battery has exceeded most riders' expectations. Of course, the battery life will depend on how often the owner will charge and recharge his bike. But we have tested in our laboratory a successful 900 charging cycles, which means even for frequent riders, if they charge it 7 hours a day, 7 days a week, the battery will last up to 5 years. And your service of the battery, we already guaranteed you for 2 years. A casual rider charging his battery can last up to 6 or even 7 years. So you have quite a long time to use this battery before it breaks down on you. Usually, the mileage of the battery depends on how much you are actually pedaling, your terrain, and your general weight. Our bicycle, fully charged, battery ranges from 35 to 70 miles. In pure electric mode, you can use it for about 35 miles. If you're also pedaling, then you probably reach about 70 miles. So, why do you think the Spaniel Cruiser has such a long range? This must be because of the size and quality of the battery. Although its shape is very thin, our battery is actually much larger in size capacity than what you see in an ordinary 14 amp hour battery. So our batteries are significantly stronger and longer lasting than most other products. We hope that our beloved electric bike can be used for a very long time. it is very important to effectively protect your battery. So we must have a better understanding of some of the important points. The battery can also be used on rainy days, but it cannot be immersed inside water. So please be careful that you do not place your battery inside full immersion inside of water. It will destroy the battery quite quickly. The battery is a little like a human stomach. If you don't want to eat too much, don't starve yourself to death. Don't charge it too long when you're charging. Stop the charging when it's fully charged. It should be charged in the right amount of time to make sure that your battery lasts as long as possible. Now, there is an overcharge feature inside our battery to protect the circuit board, which will protect the battery when you overcharge it by accident. This technology effectively extends the battery life. That's the information about our battery. I hope today's introduction will help you better understand the use and benefits of choosing Spaniel, including why our battery is much better and stronger. I also hope that now you have a deeper understanding of how to maintain your battery to ensure its best performance and durability. If you're interested to know more about the battery or anything about the Spaniel bike, please feel free to comment in the comment section, or you can also contact us at www.multijoybike.com. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys next time.